Yo, what's up, YouTube? What's going on, gents? Ah, I'm just out for another ride, and the agenda is we will hunt for some squids. Let's hope we find some racers, and in the meantime, we will keep on talking stuff. What stuff, if you may ask? Honestly, I have no clue. See, I don't plan nothing. Whatever I say, it's all impromptu, man. You feel me? It's all in the flow. Live in the flow. So, why not? We should address today the obsession of India with drag races. The drag races we see usually on YouTube. Two guys with different skill levels, with different launch times, with different weights, going on with the drag just as they please. That don't mean shit. I mean, even a single variable, if it's skewed, the skew results, man, will fuck up the results. You know what I'm saying? Like, suppose there are two riders, alright, and by happenstance, by God's luck, they happen to launch at the same time. They happen to have exact same skill levels. Even then, if one nigga is 5% heavier, his bike will perform 5% worse. I mean, that's the most basic physics law, man. That's the most fundamental formula you learn in physics. F is equal to ma, force is equal to mass into acceleration. Meaning, since the force is constant, since the torque and power is constant, the mass and pickup, the acceleration, have a inverse correlation. More the mass, less the acceleration. Less the mass, more the acceleration. You see, a 10% increase in weight will result in a 10% decrease in acceleration. And we see motor beam guys putting the fat fuck, the elephantine riders on the bike they want to lose, and you can say, I don't know, man, the kiddies riders, the 30-40 kilos ones, on the bike they want to win. I mean, that's preposterous, man. Now let's focus on the second variable, the launch time. So if you guys have seen the drag strips on which people set their quarter mile time or half mile time or even a mile time, well, they take 10 to 15 attempts, man. To put his best mile time or quarter mile time, it takes 5 to 6 attempts. So that's why I was saying, even if the same guy rides both bikes, he needs at least 10 attempts and then the average of the attempts to get any real information about what's going on with those bikes. So two different guys with different skill levels, with different weights, going for a drag just once is preposterous, is ludicrous, is unfathomably stupid. And also, man, I have seen almost I have seen this set almost in all the tracks on YouTube that one guy just goes all bonkers, pops a wheelie, and then slows down, and the other one they just don't know how to ride a bike, and they keep on shifting at 3 or 4k RPM, man. The fuck you guys are doing? That's not a drag. So that's the problem of different skill levels. That they don't even know what they are doing. So to a drag to be successful, you need to match three variables: the skill levels, the best launch, and the weight. And that can only happen if the same rider rides both bikes back to back, back to back, back to back.